Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, not the best day for the bulls, down 2%, and actually getting a little move up in the aftermarket due to the fact that Elon's company SpaceX and AI are officially merging. Tesla will now own 2 billion of this merged company. And you guys, you can join this Discord. It's only $5 a month. The link is in my description. It just tells you, key levels to look out for, good buying position, stuff like that. I did tell you guys that we needed to fill this gap this morning, and if we did not, we get smacked back down. And guys, that is exactly what happened here. We got smacked right back down. Yeah. So to make it simple, going tomorrow, we need to see this gap filled, and until then, this is all acting as resistance. And if we don't fill that gap, we're just probably going to continue to bleed. So if we can fill that gap, yeah, I turn bullish again. I'm going to turn bullish, popping use that gap up as support, and then we can head higher and see that 440 level next. But guys, if we continue to get rejected from that gap, and I do think, unfortunately, we are going to continue to get rejected, then that next target to the downside is going to be 405-ish, which is the bottom of this purple demand zone on the daily. As you can see, set this. As you can see, there's a lot of price action here using as support, and from this move up, this is where the demand zone lies. So 405, we should have a lot of bulls waiting there to push the stock back up. And the reason why I do think we are going to get that move down, besides the fact that we got smacked down from this gap, is the fact that we made a new low today. It was barely a new low. We closed here at was it 14.6 or something, 414.6, and here we went to 414.5. So we made a new local low. Even though it was very small, still means that there's a lot of weakness with Tesla, unfortunately. But the fact that it was so low tricked a lot of bulls thinking that, we were going to fill that gap, and we were all the way up at 427, I mean. But yeah, guys, like I was telling members, I can't turn bullish on the stock until we fill that resistance and fill that gap up we made, because all this is acting as resistance right now. So I do think this is kind of our next play. Probably get smacked down near 405-ish. From there, we could start. We can probably find a miniature bottom, but guys, as you can see on that 1 hour SMI, we're not even really extended to the downside yet, which is not what you want to see if you are a bull. Ideally, we're all the way down here at this level, right? Meaning that we're close to a short-term bottom, but this means that we still have room to go down, and why we might take this path down to 405-ish. Along with that, the 4 hour SMI has came up from the oversold territories, which does mean that we have room to move to the downside again. Again, not what you want to see if you're a bull. So to make it simple, going into tomorrow, it's about a 15-minute. We want to see this gap filled. We want to see 430 filled. And if we can get that, sweet. I'm bullish on the stock again. But if we can't get that, then this is kind of the path I do see taking place. Seeing price near 405. Probably in the coming days. Could be tomorrow, could be the day after that. But yeah, guys, that's about it for you. That's about all I got for you. Again, you can check out my Discord. I post about 10 updates every single day for each stock. So definitely a lot of good stuff in there. Definitely go check it out. And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.